I'm going to shave this out. Just shave it out lightly. See how easy that is? It just shaves. Now, if this were full, if that ear was full of hair, like blocking the whole entrance, the whole ear canal, I'd probably be plucking instead. But I'm just shortening the hair here. I love these. No, up, 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 up. 10 blade as usual. And you use your corner, the corner of the blade, or you use a smaller clipper. Again, you don't want to touch the skin. Those nails are pretty long, honey. See how I do more than one snip? I'll snip the end, and I'll snip just a little bit. Often they'll have knots at the back end here. I'm not even going to bother trying to brush that. If your dog, you want to sit your dog, I just place my fingers right there. This kind of gives them a, you kind of push them here, lift and push. There you go. See, so I kind of push this way and it makes them sit. You don't want to be pressing down on the hips. Lots of standing and sitting. They're so jiggly. You got so much jiggle. You're such a calm boy. You want to stand, please, for me? Thank you. Pull this back. We can get more. Whenever I get a fever, I cannot function with a fever. Seriously, I don't think anyone who can really function with fever, but it's still just a little cold. That's a lot of hair, honey. There's a knot there. I said I didn't want to go brush that, but I'm going to have to look at what that is. Hang on, hon. Hang on. I needed to find the knot. It's over here. I'm going to have to cut that right out. There's going to be a hole there. Up, up. Ugh. Let's cut into that. Cut into that. Something. Come on, Pogie. Guys, I am not funny. This isn't funny. Underneath. I can't see, hun. Give me a second. Hold that leg out. He's longer at the top here than he is at the bottom. He's a good dog, but he sure doesn't want me to touch his feet. You don't like that, do you? Okay. Stop bugging your feet. Let's go. Yeah, let's go do the back foot here. I love it. Absolutely love it. It's small, discreet. So you just kind of get rid of all the bulk, and then you just fix whatever you see needs fixing. And the hair doesn't always act. Look at that little knee. See it popping off? The hair doesn't always do what you want it to do, right? Because his hair's wavy. Just trying to blend things a little better. Hang on. I ain't done. Wait for me. All right, back here. See how, before coming in here and cutting anything, you gotta go feel if there's any skin there. No. I don't feel like fighting this. It's a fight you never win. You wanna stand, honey? You gonna stand for me? Here, put you in here. Fix that tail. Around there. Whoa, 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 no backing up. See how it kind of waves out over here? I'm just going to take a little bit of that off. That's fine. Let me take this off. And folds are, I explained this in my other video, my faces video that I did. So there's folds in there. So if you want to know more about the folds, it's in there. Straight across. No, no, no. No, no, Pogie. You didn't need to have to go through all of that drying. I'm just cleaning everything out now. I'm going to show you a before and after just about now. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, I upload new videos every Monday and Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. And that is that for today's Groom. Bye for now, guys. Bye.